Okay, so I just got 3 of these exact same spec dump trucks in, and for those of you who might be, looking for a lower budget or entry level truck over like a class 8, like a 567, this might be a great option for you. This is a 2022 Pete 348, and this is probably going to be one of the last ones you see with this old school cab style, because Peterbilt has changed its model nomenclature and the cab has changed, technology has changed, so you're going to be seeing a lot more come down the pipe over here from Peterbilt here in the coming months. And their orders are already out in March, so if you want to build like a class 7 dump truck, give me a call. But this one is got a 370 horse 9-liter PACCAR / Cummins. Cummins does make these engines, these 9-liter engines for these trucks. And it's got a Colt elliptical, 16-foot high lift gate dump body. The torque is 1250 on these. It's got an air track suspension, full lockers. Great in-town truck. You can pull backhoes. Nicely built. That's an AR 500 bottom in the box. I'm not going to roll the hood. Fender lip extenders. Nice little polish job. And again, this is going to be a great price point over a class 8, so you should be able to accomplish the same thing. You're just not going to have that 450, 500 horse under the hood. This one's got the Allison transmission in it. It's a 6-speed. I just got done driving this thing down. It rides real smooth. So since it's an Allison transmission, it's going to have the hot shift. So you just click it into PTO mode and fire it up. But you can see your diff lockers there, suspension dump. It does have beacons. This one actually has a full Jacobs brake, not just a engine brake. So if you can see that there's the on-off switch with the 3 stages. So it's a full Jacobs brake, not an exhaust brake. You guys working in Colorado know what I'm talking about, because they're pretty necessary. So here's your PTO on and off. And that's about it, guys. Cool little truck, real smooth. If you got any questions, shoot me a text, 970-518-5520. And we'll talk soon. I got 3 of these, okay? Thanks, bye.